If you're a fan of pirates, epic adventures, and unforgettable characters, then One Piece is probably already close to your heart. Created by Eiichiro Oda, this legendary anime and manga series has captured millions of fans across the globe with its thrilling story, emotional depth, and wild imagination. But even the most loyal Straw Hat crew members might not know some of the hidden gems behind the scenes. From secret characters to real-world inspirations, here are 10 fun and surprising facts about One Piece that will make you love the series even more. Fact number 1. One Piece is the best-selling manga in history. One Piece, created by Eiichiro Oda, has sold over 500 million copies worldwide, making it the highest-selling manga of all time. It even holds a Guinness World Record for most copies published for the same comic book series by a single author. That means it's more popular than Naruto, Dragon Ball, and even Western comics like Batman or Spider-Man, when measured by one continuous story and author. Fact number 2. Luffy is obsessed with meat, but not just any meat. The main character, Monkey D. Luffy, is known for loving meat more than anything else, but fans might not know that his favorite is red meat specifically, like beef or pork. According to Oda, he doesn't really enjoy fish or vegetables that much. In many scenes, Luffy is seen devouring large chunks of meat like a caveman. It's become a running joke throughout the series. Fact number 3. The ships were designed with help from fans. Oda often includes fan suggestions in the manga, especially in the SBS, Shitsuma no Boishusuru, I'm taking questions, section at the end of chapters. Both Going Merry, the first ship, and Thousand Sunny, the current one, had design elements suggested by readers, and Oda refined and finalized the look. This makes the ships feel like a part of the fan community. Fact number 4. The ending has been planned since the start. Even though One Piece has been running for over 25 years, Oda has always had a clear idea of how the story will end. He once said in an interview that he has already drawn the final panel, just in case anything happens to him. That means the mystery of the One Piece treasure has been known to him since the very beginning. Fact number 5. Panda Man is a hidden joke character. There's a strange-looking character with a panda face, muscular body, and wrestling outfit called Panda Man. He appears randomly in the background of manga panels and anime scenes. He's never part of the story. Oda created him as a joke character for a Kinnikuman contest before One Piece, but now fans love spotting him like an Easter egg. Fact number 6. Buggy the Clown was meant to be serious. Buggy the Clown, a silly villain who can split his body into parts, was originally going to be a major threat like Crocodile or Doflamingo, but Oda decided to make him a comic relief character instead, which surprisingly helped him become more iconic. Despite being ridiculous, Buggy somehow survives and even becomes a warlord, and recently, even more powerful. Fact number 7. The One Piece treasure is 100% real. Some fans thought One Piece might end by saying the real treasure was friendship or the journey, but Oda confirmed in an interview that One Piece is a real treasure, not something symbolic. This confirms that there's something physical and valuable waiting at the end of the Grand Line, though what it is exactly remains a mystery. Fact number 8. Luffy is voiced by a woman. In the Japanese version, Luffy is voiced by Mayumi Tanaka, a very experienced voice actress. It's common in anime for women to voice young or energetic male characters because they can give them a high-pitched, youthful voice. She has been voicing Luffy since 1999, and fans have grown to love her unique and expressive performance. Fact number 9. Many islands are based on real places. Oda loves travel and geography, and he uses real-world countries as inspiration for different locations in the anime. For example, Dressrosa is inspired by Spain, its architecture, flamenco music, and bullfighting. Water 7 is based on Venice, Italy, with canals and gondolas. Wano is inspired by feudal Japan. This adds a lot of variety and cultural flavor to the One Piece world. Fact number 10. It was originally supposed to end in 5 years. Oda planned One Piece to be a 5-year-long story when it began in 1997. However, the world became so rich and popular that he kept expanding the plot, creating new arcs, and adding more characters. Now, it has over 1,000 anime episodes and 1,000 manga chapters, and it's still not finished. The story is currently in its final saga, but there's still more to come.